Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to adjust previews on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Instagram recently launched a feature that allows its users to adjust thumbnails in the feed with a 4.5 ratio. This change gives user more control over the aesthetics of their profile, especially after the platform replaced the grid format that stretches vertically. With this feature, you can ensure that your profile display remains neat and attractive even when using a larger image ratio. So how to do it is so simple. First, you have to make sure that your Instagram app is on the latest version. You can check on the App Store or Play Store. To get this feature, you have to update your Instagram. If there is an option to update, you can just update your Instagram like this. Now we can wait until it finish updating your Instagram app. After that, after you update your Instagram to the latest version, to the newest version on Instagram, the Play Store or App Store, you can just open the app. It's still installing. You can wait. Now let's open the app. You can wait. Let's open the app and you can go to your profile. Sorry. You can open your profile. Now, so here's your preview on your grid profile. Now you can just choose on the post that you want to adjust the preview. This one for the example. Now you can just tap on the three dots on the post here. And there is an option, adjust preview. You can just tap on that. Here, so you can just adjust the preview on your feed. You can fit like this, or you can fill. If you choose fit, you can change the background color, white or black, maybe white or black. You choose black. Now you can just tap on checklist in the upper right corner and it will turn out like this. You can do the same thing to your others posts. So here's the result. So simple, right? Here's how to adjust preview on your Instagram profile grid. So simple, right? So that is how to adjust preview on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.